This is the route that I'm going to take to try and find a Western Sea route to China, India, and Asia. Okay, if I haven't introduced myself formally, I'm Christopher Columbus.
Good idea. Continue.
We start right where we are on Spain, and I will do my best to find an all-water route to make it to Asia.
Sounds good.
Selfie! For this trip, I'm going to need a huge amount of supplies, and I need money, and you're one of the best people I can think of to give me that. For the record, I made a list of all the supplies I need for this trip, and some examples are I need a lot of food, water, many crew members, and about 3 ships to help me get there. After getting to all these places, I'm going to try my best to find as many spices and gold to make you even more rich.
I'm still so bored.
Please, I beg you, let me do this. I will not let you down. I will keep my promise. Sounds good. Why not? Let's do it.
So you start here and go straight over here.
Yeah, and I provide you with many goods and gold.
Good idea. Here's your money.
Thank you.
But remember, we have a deal.
A deal is a deal, my friend.